Hello students, welcome to my science class of class 10th chemistry. Today we will discuss some important board exam questions from chapter 2 acid, base and salt which are important for board exam. The question number 1 is here. Define a base. Give one example which is carrying 1 mark. We have to define base. We have to give the definition of base. A base is a substance that gives OH minus ions in aqueous solution. The example is NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide is a base. The second one is question number 2. What are alkalis? Then water soluble bases, example NaOH, KOH, COH whole 2 are called alkalis. Third question is name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with a dilute acid. How do you test it? The answer is hydrogen brings a burning split, pop sound which confirms S2. Question number 4 is which acid is present in the stomach? State its pH range. Then HCl is present in stomach and its pH value is from 1 to 3. 5 is which indicator is pink in base and colorless in acid. Then phenolphthalein is pink in base and colorless in acid. The question number 6 is name two amphoteric oxides. Then ZnO, zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. They are amphoteric because they react with both acid and base. Okay, we have to write the full form of POP and its formula. Then POP full form is plaster of Paris and its formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Okay. Question number 8 is name the process used to prepare NaOH from brine. Then chloralkali process is the process used to prepare NaOH from brine. It is electrolysis of brine. Okay. Question number 9 is write the formula of baking soda and washing soda. The formula of baking soda is NaSCO3 which is called sodium bicarbonate and washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O which is called sodium carbonate. Which salt is used for bleaching cotton? Question number 10. Write its formula. Then bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton CaOCl2. Now we will come to short answer question which carry 2-3 marks. Question number 11 is why does dry HCl gas not change the color of dry blue litmus but aqueous HCl does? The answer is HCl shows acidic properties only in aqueous solution. It produces H plus and H3O plus ion. Dry HCl has no ions, so no color changes. Okay. Aqueous HCl H plus turns blue litmus red. Question number 12 is state the pH change in the mouth after eating sweets. Why is tooth enamel damaged below pH 5.5? The answer is bacteria from acids lowering pH. They lower pH. Enamel, which is calcium phosphate, starts to corrode below pH 5.5. So it happens to decay. Question number 13 is give one example each. A strong acid, weak acid, a strong base and weak base. A strong acid is HCl, a weak acid is CH3COH, a strong base is NaOH and weak base is NH4OH. Okay. Now question number 14, we have to write balanced equation. To balance the equation, we equate number of atoms on both sides of the equation. It means on the LHS side and on the RHS side. So this equation Zn plus 2HCl is equal to ZnCl2 plus S2. In this equation, the number of chlorine atom is 2 here and it is also 2. Zinc is 1. H is hydrogen atom is 2 here and it is also 2. So the equation is balanced. In the same way, we balance all the equations. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl is equal to 2NaCl plus S2O plus CO2, COH whole 2 plus CO2 is equal to CaCO3 which is white precipitate. It settles down plus H2O. This is called milk of lime. CaOH2 is called milk of lime. Question number 15 is, why should acid be added to water and not water to acid while diluting? The answer is, dilution is exothermic. Adding acid to water keeps heat absorbed by the larger volume of water, preventing splashes. Water to acid can boil or splash acid. Okay. The question number 16 is, what is a neutralization reaction? Give one example with ionic change. Then acid plus base is equal to salt plus water is called neutralization equation. Its example is HCl plus NaOH is equal to NaCl plus H2O. Ionic equation is, ionic changes is H plus OH minus gives H2O. So question number 17, why is universal indicator preferred over litmus? The answer is, universal indicator gives a range of color over pH 0 to 14, showing the strength of acid and base. Approximate pH value of a solution and its strength. It shows approximate pH value of a solution and its strength, while litmus paper simply indicates if a substance is an acid or a base by changing color. It becomes red in acid and blue in base. Question number 18 is, explain the cleaning action of baking soda on ant or bee sting. Then sting injects acidic substance, formic acid. NHCO3, it is mild base, neutralizes the acid, and we get relief. Question number 19 is, state two uses of washing soda. The uses of washing soda is, first, softening hard water. It removes Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions. Second is cleansing agent in detergents, also used in glass paper industries. Question number 20 is, what happens when crystals of copper sulfate are heated? Then the answer is, when the copper sulfate crystals are heated, it loses water, 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O, which is blue in color, loses water on heating, and white anhydrous CuSO4 on adding water, blue color returns. When it loses water, we get white anhydrous CuSO4, and when we add water, we again get blue color. Okay, thank you. These are important questions of board exam. Okay, thank you.